Hello. Today we're going to show you an upgrade of original Volkswagen reversing camera into this crafter van. So this is latest current Volkswagen crafter that came to us, and as you can see, the camera that we're going to be fitting goes in there. That will be facing down. It's not in, obviously at the moment, in there, but we're gonna do the whole installation and show you the final result. I also show you, before we get there, the inside. Right, I've got the car running now, so I select the reverse gear, and as you can see, it comes up with the optical sensors that already are installed in the car. The car came with it from the factory. So we're gonna add the reversing camera, so these will work in conjunction together, so the camera and the sensor will be showing up on the screen. So let's get to it. The job is completed, and as you can see already there, the camera is already fitted here, so you can see the big difference. That it's got this lip that is just facing down, that's showing the back of the car here. And if I open the as well, you'll be able to see how it's fitted. Now let me show you how it performs, because obviously this is the most important thing. Right, so I've got the engine started again, and so I'm just going to select the reverse gear. And as you can see now, the top view is showing us the step, the tow bar in there, and obviously the sensors that were originally on the car already. So you can also just hide them if you want to have a full view, or automatically they just show up and work together in conjunction. So you've got the camera and overlay of the sensors. So if I start reversing now, let me just try to do that for you. You can see the sensors picking up. So this camera is really great, because obviously for the crafters, they quite often are used when they are being loaded from a loading bay, and obviously when you're approaching those, you need to see the back, so you can have it operational with the doors open as well. So when you reverse in the car with the doors open, you can align it exactly into the loading area, and then obviously the forklifts and so on can load the goods into the van. Again, all done to the factory specification, including 3 years warranty. For more information, links are in the description. Thank you again for joining us, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.